shield? Oh, we're up there.
They have Hanzo.
It's Farah.
Hanzo, Farah. Mercy.
Modeling a mouse on it.
Reinhardt.
So this was trap.
Zarya no personal. Farah's main.
Right on top.
I can test
Dropping now, dropping now.
Can't heal you.
Got someone?
When I'm dropping.
Good shot down.
Hanzo one as well.
Ryan trap.
Zarya has no bubbles. Zarya no bubbles. Got the Farah.
And trap.
Got the Zarya.
Hanzo 1. Hanzo top.
Top there.
Trap, Hanzo trap.
Nice traps, dude. Insane traps.
Thank you. Mercy.
Can we hop bottom?
Yeah, someone's going left side. It's a Lucio.
They haven't got heals right now.
Lucio's left side.
Coming
High
back.
ground.
Thank you.
I'm watching left side. You can
I
watch
have
right side.
fire. I have fire in my bed.
Okay, they're coming left side. They're coming left
Rein's
side.
left.
Low.
Fine is boop.
Reinhardt maybe a shatter. I don't know.
He did all
Rein
that.
low. Rein half. 1 HP now.
Fine on me.
Where's the
I
third?
use shatter. I'm ulting.
Who's behind us? Oh, Hanzo right. Not anymore.
Nice pick. Nice.
Sorry and Mercy on the left.
Okay, no molds. Just clean up now. Okay, I'm retreating a little bit. I'm going back.
Yeah, back up to the point where we I'm probably gonna supercharge this fight.
Hanzo trap.
Point, guys.
Yeah, back up to
Going on point.
space.
Going on point.
Fine.
Point, hold it.
Oh, we lost another one. That's fine, whatever.
Fine.
Maybe we can get Zen for this far. We good? So up to you
Should I
guys.
switch?
What do you want? No junket, right?
Yeah,
Do you want the Zen instead of Rotok?
McCree?
Yeah.
No? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, Zen.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, I'm switching.
We need Zen, yeah, thank
Do they come in top?
Top.
Rein's half.
Ryan is half.
I put them down, put them down!
Keep getting 150 things.
Lucio Discord.
There's under, I need heal.
Follow Discord. Follow Discord. Follow Discord.
Where?
Follow Discord again. Right side under.
Farah dead.
Nice.
He's flash.
Runner Discord. Runner dead. Lucio Discord.
Right.
Mercy's going for the rest. Runner's rest. Runner's rest.
Coming.
Oh god,
By the way, we need
Runner Discord again.
I'm coming down. I'm behind your shield. So.
I don't have chance. The bar on me. Yeah, I'm dead.
we were way too split there.
Swap Widow with like a...
Go to Ryan Zara and I got when you go.
What are you saying?
I don't know really, but I don't think Widow is going to work here.
What do you want?
They're gonna res that.
I'm stuck.
Runner Discord.
Right? Yeah, I'm dead. Hanzo can work there.
Bar stop.
Runner
Discord.
Can you rest? Not needed, that's mine.
Bar Discord again.
I'm coming, okay. I'm going to do a flank move.
Yeah, we can push in from front. Tell us when you're ready.
And 3, 2, 1, push in.
It's under Discord. Right side.
Holy shit. Nice to see.
Nice.
Ryan Discord. Ryan Discord.
Rein no, Rein no.
Discord.
Rein one.
Nice.
Oh, Zarya's running me.
Hanzo Discord. Lucio Discord.
Bang!
Please, sir. I just want to die. Okay. I might as well just stay out now.
You could run back to spawn. No, never mind.
I have ult though. I'm literally 8%, it's fine.
I don't want to get boots actually too
As long as I
hard.
don't get headshot across the map.
Under the Scott. Zara the Scott. I have trans.
I have no matrix.
Left side. Nice.
Big!
We have to reset though, we lost the fight, reset.
And they got left chest coming up.
Maybe all here, go.
They will draft now probably, so I have
No grab.
Ryan's hiding at throne. He's off.
Back, he's...
Farah, stop this Scott. Take.
No, stop. You need to be very passive enough.
I have no chest,
Farah this Scott again, right side.
Get point.
Get the contest.
I got shot up. I'm dead.
There's Zara behind, dead. Ryan this Scott again.
Yeah, one Ryan. Ryan one.
There's a Farah above.
Yeah, I'm not bad. Discord.
I got D-Max. Don't know why I can't contest when you're D-Max, but whatever. Fun.
Getting fucking like 150 pings back.
Yeah, same. Don't know what it is. Keep randomly going to like 200 ping.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the servers.
Hyper dense game.
I mean, if it's just us, it's probably just on our part.
I mean, my
let's
ping is
go.
fine, I don't know.
I think it's our part. I don't know why.
Goats.
I'm used to sitting on like 30.
It's extremely unlikely. Haven't had lag spikes in like months.
Yeah, neither do I. But now I keep going up to 150. I don't know why.
Quad tank?
I mean, I could also play Brigade, I don't know.
No, it's up to you guys, okay.
Yeah, it's fine. You can decide.
I will be your shield.
It is not my preference to see him out as personally.
If it stayed 150, I'd be okay with it. But it keeps fluctuating. That's the annoying bit.
Shot. Dare to Lindholm. Dare to Lindholm. Nice try.
Attack commences in 30
No,
seconds.
it has to be Lindholm style. Dare to Lindholm. Dare to Lindholm.
You don't like Lindholm.
Japanese, so I should know what the fuck is saying.
Just like in training.
Saying some cringy ass shit.
Släng dig i bäcken. Dare to Lindholm.
Oh, left side's lost.
3, 2,
Is that good?
1.
What?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Attack.
Oh.
Capture objective A.
No, we're going top.
They're holding. Wait, what? No, it's just, they're just holding point.
Right top Hanzo.
I'm doing stop, right?
Go,
Double sniper maybe?
Yeah,
I
Hanzo's
can
right
bubble
side.
you too.
Wait,
Ryan is alone.
There's one, Ryan is isolated.
We lost him. Why you got?
that's right.
Winnable.
Zenyatta on top, Zenyatta low on top. Tether Zarya. Mercy, thank you guys. Zenyatta top.
Get him with you.
dead.
Nice, dude. I'm on payload, okay?
Come on, try me.
Don't, I'll be.
Huh? Wait, who said that?
I'm boosting.
Oh, Lucio, okay.
They got Farah.
On stop, on the top.
No, guys, we should keep our, the hands on high ground now. He's uncontested. We shouldn't try to push them.
Zara's coming in. Renat's coming in.
I've sighted the enemy.
I found a charge.
We can rally, let's go.
They're far.
Got it.
I'm shut up.
Whoa, that was charged.
And
I think we should keep goats come. Personally.
Wait, what? The shatter did go through.
Yeah.
What? I stunned him, dude.
I think you stunned. It didn't
What?
show up. It didn't show. The stun didn't show on the kill cam.
Dude, what a fuck.
Hunting.
Push it, Ryan. Push back. Please push Ryan.
I don't have it.
We're only 5 right now. What are we doing?
On the top, on the top.
I go out chest, this fight guys.
Mercy
Nothing to
hit.
be there yet.
Right hard to
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
That's fine.
let it use it. Field. Use field.
Ryan got so much
Yeah,
charge
well.
on it. They even
have
have Shatter
Xenolds,
again.
though.
They have Shatter, they have Shatter.
There's Xenolds too.
I can try use my Earth Shatter first, see if it pulls it out. We can push you with my
Yeah,
Earth Shatter and Lucio.
Push into. I'm Honda.
Ready?
Stay alive.
I can jet it, I can bash the Rhino.
Oh, God.
One.
That's it.
Getting up to the work.
Help me, Soup.
They will shoot the...
Oh, they're
They're
pushing hard.
pushing too far. Panic. Very weak. Yo. What sucks?
Power top left.
You guys
Okay,
should have called
okay.
out you were going out.
Okay,
I didn't
switch comp, I'm going then. There's no point in break it. I can't do
Let's
anything.
first.
True self is without
Yeah. You ready? Let's go, boys.
Power left side.
What the hell?
Power dead.
See it big.
Fat finger. Mercy's still behind us then.
Go big.
Mercy low.
Round is good.
Get Mercy. Nice.
Dive behind.
High one.
Trace did it.
Jim.
Point.
One. Big. I'm camping body. Push someone with me. Yes.
Mori, can you be
Gonna
okay
bubble
with me?
for-
Can you be okay with me? They push me hard, I can't get back in time.
They're on top maybe. Right top. They're gonna flank shadow.
No.
Rhino is good.
Team fist high ground.
Rhino is
Mercy.
good again.
He's on. Come right click it. Oh. We're fine. Run through it. Run no.
Rhino is good.
Then one.
Zen.
Help.
Zarya. There's a Hanzo alive. Hanzo.
Just stay this. This is working pretty well.
is not preordained.
Power is good, right side.
I have bubble for you, Soup.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, wait till I get closer, Right, go, bubble.
Bubble down. Big. Rein. 1. Big. I'm gonna grab in a bit.
Right, I traded.
let's go.
Right.
Grabbing. The Sam was dead, I had to. Wait, everyone was still on payload? Oh,
I was pushing the fire behind us. She was annoying. Our backline.
I'll go.
Power still behind.
I starting to push it really.
Power is
Rhino
good.
concussion.
They still have friends, by the way. Behind Ferra.
Zen is good.
So I'm using ults.
No, we have to die.
Ferra 1.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Oh, yeah, my bad. I had like, yeah.
Want to go Mercy now?
Yeah, we got coax, so that's pretty powerful. Push.
Where's she low? There, right side.
Just ignore the fire man.
Power is good, right? Up.
Ferra
On the
1.
top left.
Wait for these
Just
two.
for passive.
Yeah, she has barrage.
I'm going to flank. They're gonna flank shadow.
He's behind us. No, they're not. They're not.
I have trends. It's fine. Got a pick?
Oh, they're gonna barrage now.
Alright, we've got 2, so that's good. Sigma fires to do this anyway.
Left side, sorry, Hanzo.
Want him to go Mercy now? Okay. You want me to go Mercy?
Yeah. Well, stand by our way in here. To the left side, yeah.
If we can engage with somebody, that's fine. No. Oh my god.
Right now. Dead.
One.
That's a Mercy discuss.
I can't do anything. I can't decide where I'm going anymore. Ping is too high. I just keep running back and forth.
To that.
Zarya's pushed me.
just
wait. You
You
wait.
have to touch.
Yeah, I can go. Might be able to touch.
I can touch it, it's fine.
Go.
I got it.
Big!
Huge, get in.
I got food!
Hanzo one.
Run low.
Discord, 1 point.
Hanzo dead.
Run one.
Mercy low. Mercy one. Mercy.
The fifth one.
I'm on fire!
Knockers.
Enemy surviving!
I'm dead.
Game, I think.
This is not your time.
GG's.
I think there will be one more map just to finish it off.
Feel good.